Hi, this is Brad Agdern with Technology Services Group, an Alfresco company, and today I'd like to share some of the research and development we have done to develop an IBM CMOD source for our Open Migrate platform. I'd like to start by showing some content in the OnDemand Viewer. We're looking at a folder of bank statements. I'm going to go ahead and narrow down the results to a date criteria. You'll see 3 results are displayed. We can see the metadata associated with the records. And if I double-click one of the files, I can view the image associated with this record. Next, I'd like to take a quick look at the Alfresco Content Accelerator, which is running on a NoSQL backend. This solution is designed from the ground up to handle high data volume ingestion and retrieval. We're going to run a similar query based on date. And you'll see that currently there's no records in this target system that meet that criteria. So we're going to go ahead and start a migration that's pre-configured to move several hundred records from CMOD to this target system based on a date range. As the migration gets started, the first thing that's going to happen is the queue is being populated based on the criteria we've configured. Next, it's going to go through each file that it's found to meet this criteria and extract the content from the AFP file from CMOD and convert it to PDF. It's also going to take all the metadata associated with the content in CMOD and map it to the object model in the target system. Now that we're back in the Alfresco Content Accelerator, I can go ahead and rerun the same query that we had previously run. You'll see the 3 statements we looked at in the OnDemand Viewer have already been migrated to our target system. If I select one of these records, we can view the PDF content embedded in our browser. Now that we have migrated this content to a modern platform, there are countless features and functionality we can leverage. We have features available such as annotations, advanced workflow, and email notifications, to name a few, but I'd like to demonstrate here some group actions that are available on these records. If I select all the records and right-click, you'll see we have the option to download a zip, which will take all of the records selected and add them to a zip file, at which point I could then email them out to a customer or client. I could export the metadata visible here to an Excel spreadsheet. At that point, we can do some advanced reporting. And then finally, we have the option to generate a combined PDF, which I'll display here. Once selected, we can order these PDFs in a desired order and click Create PDF. And this will download to our local PC a combined PDF that has all 3 of these records combined into one PDF. And with this record, we could then email this to a customer or client. I hope this demo was insightful to help provide some ideas to those who are overwhelmed at the thought of moving off of or providing better access to the content stored in their CMOD systems. Thank you.